Hi, this is Karen Grill from Patent Watch Online, and today we're going to view the WIPO's ePCT Public Services. ePCT Public Services allow limited access to WIPO features. The user is allowed to search international applications, upload documents, and to create profiles. We'll go through these in just a moment. For this type of service, you only need to create a simple account. Fill out a basic form, create a username and password. It's that simple. Okay, so now we'll go to WIPO's website. As you can see, they've recently redesigned it. I think it looks a little more user-friendly. So we're going to click on IP Services, and we'll then click on PCT, the International Patent System. Then we're going to scroll down until we find the PCT resources, and then we'll click on ePCT. This brings you to the ePCT portal. If you needed to create an account, this is where you could do it. Today we're just going to access the ePCT Public Services, so we'll click on that. And it brings you to the login page, so just let me quickly log in. Click on Login. And this brings you to the main ePCT Public Services page. There are limited options, but there are some useful tools, so we'll go through those now. If you click on Search IA, that stands for International Application. So I just chose an international application. So you'll put the number in there, and then you'll need to add the filing date. Please remember that this is an international organization, so they do put the day first and then the month for their date. We'll click on Search. So then you can see that it brings up the file view for this specific application. Here you can see it lists the title and the relevant information. One handy feature is it has the international publication number. If you click on the link, it'll open up a new tab and give you the actual published application. We'll go back to the file view. Down below it does give you information for contacting the International Bureau. So there are really two options that you have to work with this application. You can upload documents, and that basically allows you to upload any kind of post-filing documents such as Article 19 amendments. So this is where you'd be able to add those documents and upload them. Another option is third-party observations. This allows you to upload a document with citations in case you believe that this application is neither new nor novel. So those are the options for this specific international application. Now we'll go back up to the higher level of tabs and continue. So if you go to My History, that shows you all the actions you've taken during a certain period of time. That may be handy if you remember that you uploaded a document several months ago and you wanted to search that way. The next tab is Portfolios. This is quite a handy feature. Let's say that you work with several different attorneys or you have several clients. Here you could create a portfolio with that name or number, whatever you prefer. And if you click Create, if we went back to our international application that we looked at previously, if you scroll down and look at the line that says Portfolio, there's an icon. If you clicked on the icon, you can then select the portfolio that you want to associate this international application with. So then you can confirm it was successful. So then if we went back to our Portfolios tab, we would now see that we have a portfolio with Mr. Smith's name and one international application associated with it. I think this could be really useful if you have many clients or many attorneys that you work with and you'd like to associate groups of applications with those attorneys or clients. That would help you just a little bit with organization of all these international applications. So those are the functions of the ePCT Public Services. Okay, well that's it. We showed you the main steps for using the ePCT Public Services. I hope you found this video useful. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments.